Pastor Kwame, what are you doing sitting out there? Get up here, Pastor Kwame. This is Pastor Kwame. Get up here. He's from Ghana.
That moment was a turning point in Dr. Kwame's life toward empowering families. Today, he helps you restore marriages, heal broken relationships, strengthen your family, and equips churches to support healthy relationships.
Hello, my name is Dr. Kwame, Amazon best-selling author and relationship expert. I partner with churches to restore marriages and bring healing to broken relationships.
Dr. Frupo, oh my gosh! Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh!
Behind every great marriages are role models, people they look up to, people they listen to.
If you didn't see it, you can't deliver it. Amen.
Because you cannot give what you have not seen. I believe that every strong marriage needs one thing: marital humility. What is it? It is when both husband and wife can admit, I was wrong. No matter their status, title, or their income, trust me, nothing is more attractive than a spouse who says, honey, I messed up. I'm wrong. I was wrong. The easiest thing in marriage is spotting your partner's flaws. But the hardest, but most powerful is owning your own. That is where marriages are healed and churches grow strong.
What a night we had, and I'm telling you, I highly recommend Dr. Kwame.
If Dr. Kwame comes to your church, he will be such a blessing to the youth.
Say yes! Yes!
He has been in our marriage retreat, and I must say, it was such an experience.
We've had Dr. Kwame come to our Rites of Passage program, which is structured for men. The feedback I've gotten from the group is so amazing, and we're going to keep having him back. Dr. Kwame, thank you so much. You've been so inspirational.
Behind the scenes, I love sitting with pastors, youth leaders, and event planners, speaking to their pain points and equipping them with tools that strengthen relationships, mental health, and ministry impact.
Dr. Kwame made relationships make sense. He showed me how to protect my heart, set boundaries, and still believe in love. I'm leaving here with tools I can actually use, not just inspiration.
I came here unsure if healthy love even exists, but Dr. Kwame's words opened up my mind and my heart. I'm leaving here ready to love myself and build relationships that supports my mental well-being.
Inviting Dr. Kwame was the best decision we made. His teaching on relationships and mental health was not only deep, but personal. You could see lives being touched in real time. People were left with tools to love better, think clearly, and heal deeply.
Dr. Kwame had our audience laughing, learning, and leaving with so much information. Book Dr. Kwame today.
I will be honored to bring the same value to your next event, helping pastors, young people, and leaders around the world build healthier relationships and stronger churches.
Your church will benefit from Dr. Kwame's teachings because it is rooted in purpose and faith.
Get connected to this man. This is a real man of God.
I recommend him without reservation.
I recommend him for you.
Let's partner to bring real transformation to your couples.